Hello people, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini notebook using just one piece of paper. So what you need is an A4 paper and scissors and a pencil or a pen. So what you do is you take the paper and you fold in half like this. Then you do another fold. Okay, make sure you crease it really nice and then unfold. Okay, now you can take a piece of paper, scissors, and just cut it along these lines, or you can just rip them. So I will just take this moment to remind you that you also need a glue stick. Forgot to say that before. Okay, so you take all these, and now what you do is you take one of them and you fold it in half like this, and then again, and then again. So in a way you will be making 8 rectangles. You just move that to the side and do this to all of them. Okay, last one. Okay, and now what you do, you take the one you just did right now and you open it up completely. And then you take your glue stick, open up, and then you glue the last one. You just apply glue on the last fold. And you take the other one that you folded before, you open it up, and then you just stick the first one onto the last one like this. And then you repeat this for the remaining 2. And last one. Yeah. So keep the glue stick aside, you'll need it later. So what you do is you take this and you fold it. You just keep alternating. So one forward, one backward, one forward, one backward, like this. And you keep going till you finish. And there you go. Then you open it up again. Okay, that was set. And then you take this, the glue stick, and then you just glue one of the sides. Just glue like this. Just keep going across. Yeah. And then you know the folds you just did, you redo that. This makes it way easier for you, so you don't have to fold it and get your hands sticky so much afterwards. And then you just continue this for the rest of the whole paper. last one now. Go across the whole entire one, except for the last one. And done. So I said not to do the last one because it's the last page and it's going to be facing you. This is just going to be all sticky. So now what you do is you flip it and you have this. It's so cute, seriously. And so then what you do is you take another piece of paper, an A4 paper, and then you just fold it into quarters. One this way in half, and then the other this way in half. Okay? And then you rip this up, just rip one of them out. So like, or you can cut it out, your choice. And then you take your paper, your little book, and then first you fold this little paper that you just did, and you fold it along like this, and then you fold this towards the middle. Just leave a little bit of a gap between the crease. Okay. So it should look about like this. Now you take your paper and you just put it along like this, and then you fold up, fold the bottom one up all the way up to that where the book was. Not completely there, just up to that fold. Okay. And then you unfold, flip it over, do the same to the other side, measure it in a way. Take it, and there you go. So now you should have something that looks like a spine. So then you put this in, put the book in, and then you open it up, open the first one of the pages. So if there's just one single layer here, then you make sure you get the other one, so it's like a double-sided. Because this, it's going to just be so too thin. So you take the other one and then just fold it over, so like this. Try get it as accurate as you can. Okay. Then same to the other side. And now that wasn't the last bit. The last bit is this. You take it out again, and then you tuck this into this, like this. Okay. And then do it to the other side. Okay. Okay. Like this. Normally this actually happened pretty easy to me. I don't know what happened today. But yeah, if you fold it up like this, you will have a mini book. You can add any cover that you want, like anything. For example, I'm just going to do the channel name. See, and it's pretty useful, really. Just tiny book to take around with you, note down things, and draw anything you want. And that's it. That was the end of Origami mini notebook. And like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.